Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about bowing. Why do we bow and what is bowing good for? Bowing is a movement practice, and movement can often be very, very useful for people when they're trying to do a psychospiritual, spiritual discipline. But the process of meditation can be difficult because when it makes it aware of what's going on in your mind, how jumbled it is, how confused it is, then sometimes that can cause a lot of agitation and people don't know how to settle down. Bowing is done quite a bit in Asia. Oftentimes Asians do a lot more bowing and chanting than they do formal meditation. So when you have a movement process, it also helps circulate things and move things through. You can start to synchronize your movement with your breath, and also a counting or a chanting or many different things you could be doing in your mind, or just actually the action of bowing. So bowing is a wonderful moving meditation practice that can help people get unstuck, and it's also used for atonement practice. So this atonement practice is this process of working through our karmic entanglements. So what that means is karma is just the way that we've reacted to things over time that cause repetitious patterns. You've basically hurt yourself and you've hurt others throughout time. When you bow, if you bow long enough, eventually what will happen is most people feel some sense of regret. This sense of things that come up, how we acted improperly to other people at some points in our life. And that energy can be really, really stuck in our heart. If we just sit there, for some people it's very difficult, but when you move, it can move it through your body, move it through your heart. And it's a very efficient way to move through this kind of stuckness. Also, when you do the bowing process, you can really get into this samadhi experience. Samadhi is the union of body, breath, and mind, where you start to feel this flow state, and you can feel it pretty quickly for many people. Plus, it's of course very good for your body. So there's a lot of things that we could talk about for bowing, and I could give wonderful stories and explanations, but what we're trying to accomplish is basically a why, a how-to, and what are the small movements of bowing look like and why they're being done.